Hello my dear friends, in this video I want to teach you how to have these really nice looking straight edges instead of these bumpy ones when you're doing the seed stitch. Until here I did just the regular seed stitch, not doing anything special with the borders, and this is what you get if you do the regular seed stitch. Now I'm going to teach you what to do. Very simple, super easy way to have these straight looking edges. Let's go. As you know, the first loop, we don't knit. We just take it to the right needle and we start knitting from the second loop. But we have to make a decision here. We can enter the loop like this and take it to our right needle, or we can enter it from the left side and take it to our right needle. What will be different? If we take it like this, we will have the yarn at the front side of our right needle. If we enter from the left, then we will have the loop, the yarn at the back side of our right needle. How do we decide? We decide looking at the second stitch. So it's a knit stitch. Because of this pattern, you know that we will purl over knits. So my second stitch will be a purl stitch. So when I'm taking the first loop on my right needle, I will take it as if I'm going to purl it. So you're hearing the steps of my lovely dog. So I will take it, entering it from the right side. I will have the yarn in the front. I'm ready to purl. Let me finish this row and show you again. Okay, so I finished the row, turn back, let's do it again. So I will not knit the first loop as usual. I will take it to my right needle. But I have two options, two ways of doing it. I can either enter it from the right side or from the left side. How do I decide? I decide looking at the second row, second stitch. What is the second stitch? It's a purl stitch. So I'm going to knit on top of it. So I should prepare for a knit stitch. So the first one, I'm not going to knit it, but I'm going to take it as if I'm going to knit. So I will enter from the left side and just don't touch it, and then keep on with the seed stitch. So one knit, one purl. So this is how you're going to do it, and I'll do it a few rows and then I'll show you how different it looks, this edge and the nice one. I'll meet you in the end. I have used the technique that I just showed you and finished a couple more rows here. Now you can see the difference. You can see the straight edges that we have here, and you can see the bumpy edges when we didn't use this technique. Let's see from the side. Straight edge looks much more beautiful, like a braid, and the bumpy edge looks like this. So let's go over this technique for one final time. The first loop, we're not going to knit it. So we're just going to take it to the right needle. But we have two ways to do it. We can either enter from the right side or from the left side. We're going to decide this looking on the next stitch. It's a knit stitch. So what do we do in seed stitch? We purl if we see a knit. We see a knit, so we're going to purl. Our next stitch is a purl, so we will enter this loop from the right side. So we're preparing ourselves for a purl. We will have the yarn at the front side of our right needle, so we will be ready for a purl. That's all. That's it. So it's a very simple technique to have good looking edges on seed stitch. Seed stitch is a simple stitch. It's for beginners, and you don't have to complicate things to have smooth edges here. Just to be tiny bit of proactive will help you. So think about the second and prepare for the second stitch when you're entering the first loop that you're not going to knit or purl. Thank you. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye.